I'm calling from Koh Samet. You guys need to come to this island. It's absolute paradise. Subscribe and follow us for more.
Travel the world with Lina and Dan. Sunsets and islands, adventures unplanned. The world is yours, let your spirit explore. Taste every dish and open every door. From ocean to sky, from sea to sand. Let's start the adventure with Lina and Dan.
We're at the Koh Samet Pier. And behind us is actually the place when you first gonna arrive when you come to Koh Samet. And we have a special goal for this island, to walk the whole island by foot without renting any motorbike or bicycle.
The length of this island is 7.2 miles. It doesn't seem to be a big deal, but the temperature here is really high, between 32 and 37 degrees by Celsius, and the humidity is so high too. So that's going to be challenging.
We can do it. And during our walk, we'll stop to so many beaches and places that will take you with us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and follow us for more. Welcome to Koh Samet Island. So we're walking in the little town of Koh Samet. Little shops here on the street, and now from here we are going to the beach. Sawadika.
Welcome to Het Sao Khao Beach here in Koh Samet. It's located on the eastern side. I think it's the busiest beach here in Koh Samet. It's beautiful. The water is clean. It's really nice. There's so many things going on here on the beach.
Yes, a lot of activities. You can probably hear all the screaming from the people. The walk here on the beach, it's really nice, and Gambi is here too, walking, actually running, looking for some food from the tourists. You can see some restaurants on the beach, and it's beautiful. Let's go
baht. It's a country look motorbike.
It's very nice. I like all the art.
Yes, yes. He's an artist now.
He is?
Yes.
He's the man?
An artist.
It's amazing. I like it. So the owner is opening this bar on Friday. So we'll be here on Friday for the opening. And this is actually the owner. He's the artist too. Look at his hands. Yes, he's been working so hard.
Samet Thailand.
See you then.
Samet.
Welcome to Ao Tian Beach. You can see behind me how beautiful this beach is. At the moment there is nobody here at the beach. This is my favorite beach so far. Ao Tian Beach. It's so nice. And it's exactly relaxed. So we are going to Oawai Sunset. It's a little hike here in the forest. And it's a national park, so there is a lot of trails on the island. So basically this is the first trail we encountered. And it's very pleasant, especially when the sun is so bright outside. Being here in the shadow, it's very good. Okie dokie. We're hiking the Sunset Trail. A lot of flies on this trail. And it's kind of tiring. We have another 15 minutes or less.
Maybe less.
Less, maybe another 5 minutes.
I can see the end.
Yeah, so let's...
It's very hot.
It's very hot, yes.
Yeah.
So let's go and see the views. Wow, so many flies, and they're very annoying. Oh, it just gets so steep here. So let's see if we can manage. Yes, and you can see one lonely boat in the middle of the sea.
So the sunset will be right over.
So this is the famous sunset viewpoint, and it's a very nice hike here. It's very hot though.
It's really hot here on the trail, and I'm so thirsty. So this water really feels like gold water, gold water, gold water. Daniel is drinking all the gold water. Feels like gold, huh?
Yeah, it is. It's more precious than gold.
It's more precious on the trail than gold. What are you eating?
After an exhausting hike in the heat, we met this friendly guide who led us to Koh Samet National Park. You can visit the park in the morning to catch the sunrise or late in the evening to enjoy the sunset.
You have two choices here, sunrise and sunset. It's a nice walk here. So if you come to Koh Samet, come to the end of the island, you have two options, sunset and sunrise. You can just come and enjoy. And it's very beautiful. So the island in front of us is called Chan Island, and it's not used for tourism. Just the local fishermen go there to escape the wind and to catch some fish. Beautiful.
This place looks like a memorial place. All these little pebbles and rocks. So we are right here. And this happened to be the national park entrance. It's beautiful. You can choose two ways, sunrise and sunset. We went to both places. And we walked from our resort all the way. We like walking and we don't regret it.
It's time for the sunset. Let's go.